Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Have you ever made tofu at home yet? Making tofu at home is relatively simple, although it requires some patience and a few natural ingredients. You will have a homemade, healthy and tasty tofu. Please make your own tofu at home like I do. I place 200 grams of soya beans in the bowl and cover them with 5 cups of water. Allow them to soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. These are organic soya beans that you will find easily from online providers. After soaking, the beans have absorbed the water. They are soft enough to blend. I am rinsing them thoroughly in the water a few times. A good way to get as much soy milk as possible is not to use hot water to soak the beans. Drain the beans and put them aside. I am preparing the coagulant, including 500 ml of water, 9 grams sea salt, and 30 grams lemon juice. Stir this liquid until the salt has dissolved in the water. Put this solution aside. I will blend the beans with 1.5 liters of fresh water until it is smooth. You may need to do this in batches depending on the size of your blender. I am using this blender because it has a smooth function and I am able to do this in 2 batches. Pour the blended mixture in the nut milk bag, which is placed over a large bowl or a dip pot as is shown here. I tie the mouth of the bag. And put a heavy pestle and mortar on top to strain out the pulp. Put the pulp back into the blender with 700 ml of water, then blend them one more time. Pour the blended mixture in the nut milk bag. It is now easier to squeeze out the liquid. I am kneading the bag of the blended mixture with a little water to squeeze the liquid out. Repeat this action until the remaining 800 ml of water is used. Now I can stop. Rinse the nut milk bag thoroughly to filter the liquid and make sure that there is no pulp left in the soy milk, so I will have a smoothie tofu later. Pour the soy milk into a large pot and bring it to boil over a low heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning. Continue to let it boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Reduce the heat and pour slowly the coagulant into the soy milk and stir gently. Now you can see it start to curdle. Put the lid on and leave it undisturbed for about 15 minutes to allow the curds to form. Line a tofu press with a cheesecloth. I carefully transfer the curds into the mold. Use the knife or something to level the curds. Fold the cloth over the top. And place the pestle and mortar on top to press out excess liquid or something heavy to be able to press out excess liquid. Press between 30 minutes to several hours depending on desired firmness. Remove the tofu from the mold and immerse it in the cold water for a few minutes to firm it up. I now have a piece of my own tofu. Grind and refrigerate until ready to eat healthy dishes. Tofu can be stored in the refrigerator for 7 days, submerged in the water and covered. That's it. Please make your own tofu from scratch. Enjoy experimenting with different pressing types to achieve the texture you prefer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.